Hello from Chicago. Alan Knuckman, high above the trading floor here at the CME Group, talking energy with the focus on crude oil. Close, but not quite. 69.35 was a high in crude oil today. 69.55 is the multi-year high that we've seen in the last couple of weeks. Ended up closing today up 50 cents at 68.50, so backed off those highs, but we did see a boost one more time here with geopolitical news. The Iran deal is driving crude oil. Now, the question is, what does President Trump do with the Iran nuclear deal? Israel had some input today, and they're saying that Iran has lied about their nuclear ambitions, and they're not following through with their part of the agreement. So you saw oil have a rise here today as they essentially lobbied President Trump to throw this deal away. Now, why this impacts crude? Obviously, it could raise tensions in the Middle East, but it would also take 500,000 barrels of crude off the market if Iran's not able to participate in the global market, and there were some new sanctions there. So looking at the price of crude, holding strong, obviously strength today, but not quite new highs. Crude did lose 30 cents last week, but it was impressive in the fact that the dollar was very strong. The dollar was up there at 3.5 week highs, but that did not hurt crude very, very badly. Actually, crude oil's up 6% in April alone after it's broken through that 66 previous top. It's held strong. So what you're seeing now is a high-end range. Crude oil has been trading between $66 and roughly $70 a barrel for now 3 weeks. Now, breakout targets the distance of that range on top of that top to move markets to about 74 or so. We had talked many times before that 75 is the upper target here because that's the halfway point, kind of a magnet, the halfway point of the 2014 tip top down to those recent extreme lows. So we'll see if we can get back to that 75 target, but it's still only the halfway pivot of this larger overall move, even though it feels like crude's been very, very strong. So to summarize, crude oil today positive. We have support at 66. Our first target is 70, making new highs, and then 75 is the upside objective based upon getting back to that midpoint range. So we're watching for the dollar to be the next catalyst. If this was a fake out breakout in the dollar and we do get back down move downward in that overall downward trend in the dollar index, that could be supportive of crude. Alan Knuckman here in Chicago.